This is a brand new 2012 GMC Terrain. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a split folding rear seat, a four-wheel independent suspension, cargo tie-downs, roof rails, dusk-sensing headlights, external temperature display, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Stoops Buick GMC is located at 1251 Quaker Boulevard in Plainfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. Professional grade and American made.